Hello, everyone. This is Ida Samus with Union TV, and we are at our first annual Health and Wellness Fair in partnership with our Greater Chamber of Commerce, with the Township of Union, and with our Union Board of Education. And with me today stands our Mayor, James Bowser, our Superintendent, Jerry Benaquista, and also the Chairman, James Masterson. Fellas, we're here. This is something new. We're worried about, not worried, we're concerned, and we want to draw more attention to healthcare, wellness, personal care. Mayor, I'll start with you. What are we thinking about today? What are we doing here today?
This is truly a fantastic event. It's really a partnership, as you mentioned before, with the town and others to really bring to light and really elevate the need for just having residents be more aware of their health and wellness. So again, I just want to say this is a fantastic event and looking forward to just having more of these because, as I said before, health and wellness is something that the township is really concerned about, in terms of just general, health. And having this in one space, having all these different medical practitioners and experts here to answer questions.
Absolutely.
I believe we have some screening here as well, so you can do some screening and things of that nature to really start that process of having a healthy life.
Absolutely. I love that. I got to go eat a salad when I get home. Jerry, tell me, the students, what are you looking forward for the students taking away from this?
So I think anytime you're talking about wellness, it's a big part of our curriculum and the student success today. So like when you could bring the whole community in, working with the township and the chamber, I think it's a win-win for our schools. And I'm just looking forward to providing more access for our families and our students that need it. And we're going to be successful continuing to collaborate together. And this is just the start of many things that we do along the way.
Definitely. Love that. Love that. And then, James, tell me, we have a bunch of different vendors here. I don't know, but it looks like a numerous amount of vendors. How does the Chamber of Commerce play a role into all of this?
Well, good health is good business. That's what I always say. Do I always say that? I guess I do.
You'll start saying it now.
But I'll start now, absolutely. But we want our community to know that any healthcare needs that they have can be met right in this area.
Oh, yeah.
And it's important that they access that.
Definitely.
I recall a study that we did years ago in the township, and the majority of residents didn't have a primary care physician. And we want to fix that. And we also want them to know that then they can access fitness centers, gyms, wellness centers, physical therapy, orthopedics, senior care, and home health care and beyond. So it's all here in Union. And all here in the Union area, and we want people to know that, and the Chamber's here to send that message.
I love that, and we have a taste of all of that here today. I hear we're also giving out free flu shots.
I hear that, and I might get one.
All right, well, we got to check it out, guys. Keep on watching. So many different vendors. Fellas, thank you for being with me today, and we'll check out all these wonderful vendors that we got. Come on, guys, let's go see. All right, folks, we're at our first stop, and it is with Atlantic Health. I have some beautiful ladies and gentlemen here with me today. We have different departments that are here to represent, and I'll start over to my left. Name and what department are we representing?
Angelica Cardenas, and I'm the program manager for community health at Overlook Medical Center.
Okay.
And we are here to share our resources. We make it our goal to provide free education virtually and in person to the community. We brought our virtual programming calendar, and as well as some of the upcoming programs that we have out in the community to share with folks. It's been great.
I love that. Next up, who do we have?
Hi, I'm Viviana Villalobos. I am the clinical coordinator for the Outpatient Behavioral Health Department at Overlook Medical Center, and I'm here to promote the new adolescent intensive outpatient program that we have. We service children from 13 to 18 years of age, and we work on after-school hours for them. And we also have an outpatient department for children starting at age 5, and we also treat adults as well in our department.
Hi, I'm Toya Whitaker Pickett. I am here to represent the hyperbaric wound care, outpatient wound care, hyperbaric medicine, and diabetes education at Overlook Medical Center. It's important for the community to know that we have a satellite location also in Union at Gallopin Hill.
Who do we have here?
Hi, my name is Danielle Wolf, and I'm Assistant Nurse Manager for Maternity Services Parent Education. So we wanted to come here in this community event to let everyone know about our events and all of the service that we have from moms from prenatal all the way through and to the end of postpartum. So we do offer services such as classes, ABCs of going home with your baby, pre-childbirth classes, breastfeeding classes. We have lactation consultants and support groups.
So I'm Christine Nag. I'm the Assistant Nurse Manager of the Union Wound Healing Department. So we have 2 wound care centers, the Summit location and the Union location. We treat different kinds of wounds. So this is not my first time volunteering.
My name is Dr. Elliot Goodman. I'm the new medical director of the Union the Overlook Emergency Department, Union Satellite ER. We're a freestanding ER in Union at 1000 Galloping Hill Road. It's a sort of newer style of delivery of emergency health care that you'll see throughout the state. We're a freestanding ER. We're fully functioning. We can do all cardiac arrest procedures, respiratory arrest procedures, all types of resuscitation, all the way down to the most minor emergencies.
Fantastic. This is Mayor Bowser, and I just want to say I'm really excited to be surrounded by so many important healthcare professionals providing services to our community. Again, I just want to thank Atlantic Health for all that you do. Again, thank you guys for really being here today for our first event.
On to our next vendor, and I actually have 2 special people who got me sweating a little bit about my health. So first we have Wakas from Union Pharmacy, and I also have Laura from Eagle Rock. Joining us is our committee woman, Patty Frazier. But Laura, tell me, I hear you're our best kept gem. That's what they're saying on the streets. Tell me a little bit about your facility.
I consider myself Union's dietitian. We're located at 397 Chestnut Street. We accept all forms of health insurance. We work with people of all demographics. On the 29th, we're going to be giving a lecture at the Senior Day at the Y.
Wakas, you're not too far, and you're right along. Tell me about your pharmacy.
Yeah, so I'm here today representing Union Pharmacy. We're located at 338 Chestnut Street. We offer a full line of vitamins, supplements, and prescription medications. We offer free local delivery. We're open 7 days a week, and we accept all insurances. What I would say is we're here to let people know that we're here and we're here to serve the community. We offer personalized service, something you might not be able to find at big box places. So if you're tired of waiting on hold, you're tired of being treated like a number, come on down. We'll be happy to meet you and take care of your prescriptions.
This is an amazing event. It is so good for our students and their families to be able to come to a place and they can receive resources and information for their health. That's exactly why I started using Union Pharmacy, because I got tired of waiting online. Exactly. So I went to him and he had everything I needed.
I love that.
So it's great information here.
We love it. We love it. We're going to keep moving on. Mayor, did you want to say a few words?
Yes, I just want to say this is a great example of bringing resources together and letting the community know what's available. I want to thank both our local medical practitioners here, because it's important to just have those type of facilities here at home in Union. So again, thank you guys for really being here and supporting our community.
Thank you, Mayor.
Absolutely. I think we've got one more, so keep on watching, guys. Don't go anywhere. All right, folks, we are at our last stop. Here with us today is Dr. Ruben Lambert, specializing in stuff people, I would say, don't usually talk about. Yeah, they definitely don't. Tell us, what are we doing here today? What classes are we focusing on?
So my name is Dr. Ruben Lambert. I'm a mind and body wellness psychologist, and I want to talk to people here today about the importance of being aware of opioid abuse, because this is something that can be found in your bathroom cabinets. This is something that could be prescribed to students and to our children, and we have to be aware of the dangers of the abuse of that. It is a drug that can help many people, but it also has to come with limitations, and it has to be under a doctor's guidance. So when it gets out of control, then a person needs to seek proper help. Talk to somebody that you trust, and then to seek out proper help and guidance to deal with the abuse of that. And also something that I believe in highly is prevention, right? Because a lot of these substances are abused because a person doesn't know how to cope with everyday stress or some mental health issues that they're having. So I like to teach prevention because, as my grandma said, a stitch in time saves 9, right? It's better to work early instead of when the problem grows larger. And so I do a lot of mindfulness breathing and positive thinking, because how you think is how you view life.
I think I was just going to say, I think we all could benefit from it. A little positive thinking never hurt anybody. So then, Doc, tell me, are you located in Union?
I am located on Morris Avenue, 2191 Morris Avenue. The name of my practice is Wisdom Spring Wellness.
Closing out, I think this is a wonderful opportunity. Mayor, I'll echo what you said earlier with the businesses joining and committee woman, like you said, for the students. It's super beneficial that we're having this event here today, and hopefully for years to come we continue to bring this program. So if you've watched, make sure you reach out to the people that you saw here today in our video. The resources are here for you. I'm Edith Thomas, again with our committee woman Patricia Guerra-Fraser, our mayor James Bowser, and also Doc Ruben Lambert here with us. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.